Ensto's installation systems have been designed with convenience and usability in mind. They have been designed for people, just like this hotel. We rarely come to think of what connects us with each other. In reality, EnstoNet installation system works out of sight, but effectively. It's an easy, plug-and-play electrification solution. The EnstoNet electrical installation is put together by connecting prefabricated cables, connector by connector, inlet to outlet. Opening of the units or boxes is not needed. The installation system gives the possibility to build large-scale installations, like this amazing hotel, as clear and easy to manage modules. EnstoNet makes the fashionable future-proof. You can easily change room standards. It's tidy and adaptable for layout changes and renovations. It's smart installation.